Time and work, our next chapter for quantitative aptitude. Before we move ahead to solve some important questions, it's important that we are well aware of the concept and the types of question which may be asked. Given below are the basic type of quantitative aptitude questions with respect to time and work topic. First, to find the efficiency of a person. Second, to find the time taken by an individual to do a piece of work. Third, to find the time taken by a group of individuals to complete a piece of work. Fourth, work done by an individual in a certain time duration. Fifth, work done by a group of individuals in a certain time duration. So mostly the questions which are being asked may involve one of these things. Now let's see some important formulas. First formula, work done equals to time taken into rate of work. Rate of work equals to 1 by time taken. Time taken equals to 1 by rate of work. Total work done equals to number of days into efficiency. Then the next formula. If a piece of work is done in X number of days, then the work done in 1 day equals to 1 by X. Then the next formula suggests efficiency and time are inversely proportional to each other. The more efficient you are, the less time you will need, and the more time you will need, the less efficient you are. Then let's talk about ratio. If A is thrice as good a workman as B, then ratio of work done by A and B equals to 3:1. Ratio of time taken by A and B to finish a work equals to 1:3. Then the next formula. If X number of people can do W1 work in D1 days, working T1 hours each day, and the number of people can do W2 work in D2 days, working T2 hours each day, then the relationship between them will be M1 into D1 into T1 by W1 equals to M2 into D2 into T2 by W2. Now let's see some examples. A can do a work in 15 days and B in 20 days. If they work on it together for 4 days, then the fraction of the work that is left is, the options are 1 by 4, 1 by 10, 7 by 15 or 8 by 15. The right option is option D, 8 by 15. Let's see how. Now as given that A takes 15 days and B takes 20 days respectively to finish the work, then A's 1 day work will be 1 by 15 and B's 1 day work will be 1 by 20. So A and B's 1 day work in combined will be equals to 1 by 15 plus 1 by 20, that is equal to 7 by 60. And now for 4 days, A and B's work will be 7 by 60 into 4, that is equal to 7 by 15. Therefore, the remaining work equals to 1 minus 7 by 15, that is equal to 8 by 15. Next question. A can lay railway track between two given stations in 16 days and B can do the same job in 12 days. With the help of C, they did the job in 4 days only. Then C alone can do the job in, the options are 9 1 by 5 days, 9 2 by 5 days, 9 3 by 5 days or 10 days. The right option is option C, 9 3 by 5 days. Let's see how. Now as A, B and C combined can finish the work in 4 days, so A, B and C's combined 1 day work equals to 1 by 4. And as A can finish the job in 16 days and B in 12 days, so A's 1 day work equals to 1 by 16 and B's 1 day work equals to 1 by 12. So now A's 1 day work plus B's 1 day work plus C's 1 day work equals to 1 by 4. That implies 1 by C plus 1 by 16 plus 1 by 12 equals to 1 by 4. That implies C's 1 day work equals to 1 by 4 minus 1 by 16 plus 1 by 12. That is equal to 5 by 48. Hence, C alone can do the job in 48 by 5, that is equal to 9 3 by 5 days. Next question. A, B and C can do a piece of work in 20, 30 and 60 days respectively. In how many days can A do the work if he is assisted by B and C on every third day? The options are 12, 15, 16 or 18. The right option is option B, 15. Let's see how. Now as A can do the work in 20 days, so A's 2 day work equals to 1 by 20 into 2, that is equal to 1 by 10. and A, B and C's combined 1 day work equals to 1 by 20 plus 1 by 30 plus 1 by 60, that is equal to 6 by 60 or 1 by 10. So work done in 3 days equals to 1 by 10 plus 1 by 10, that is equal to 1 by 5. So to complete 1 by 5 of the work, it requires 2 days from A and 1 day combined from A, B and C. So now 1 by 5 work is done in 3 days. So whole work will be done in 3 into 5, that is equal to 15 days. Next question. A is thrice as good as a workman as B and therefore is able to finish a job in 60 days less than B. Working together, they can do it in, the options are 20 days, 22 and a half days, 25 days or 30 days. The right option is option B, 22 and a half days. Let's see how. Now as it's given that A is 3 times more efficient than B, then the ratio of time taken by A and B will be equals to 1:3. So now the time difference is 3 minus 1, that is equal to 2 days, while B takes 3 days and A takes 1 day. Then if difference of time is 2 days, B takes 3 days. If difference of time is 60 days, then B takes 3 by 2 into 60, that is equal to 90 days. So A takes 90 minus 60, that is equal to 30 days to do the work. Now A's 1 day work equals to 1 by 30 and B's 1 day work equals to 1 by 90, and A and B's combined 1 day work equals to 1 by 30 plus 1 by 90, that is equal to 4 by 90 equals to 4 by 45. So A and B together can do the work in 45 by 2, that is equal to 22, 1 by 2 days. Next question. A alone can do a piece of work in 6 days and B alone in 8 days. A and B undertook to do it for rupees 3200. With the help of C, they completed the work in 3 days. How much is to be paid to C? The options are 375, 400, 600 or 800 rupees. The right option is option B, 400 rupees. Let's see how. Now C's 1 day work equals to 1 by 3 minus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 8. Because it's given that A can complete the work in 6 days, B can complete the work in 8 days and combined ABC can complete it in 1 by 3 days. So it equals to 1 by 3 minus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 8. That is equal to 1 by 24. So C can complete the work in 24 days. Now A, B and C will get their wages as per their efficiency. So the ratio of A's, B's and C's wages will be 1 by 6 is to 1 by 8 is to 1 by 24. That is equal to 4 is to 3 is to 1. Hence C's share will be rupees C's efficiency by total efficiency into 3200. That means 1 by 4 plus 3 plus 1 into 3200. That is equal to rupees 400.